Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 2 recipes on how you can use these leaves to stop shedding, thicken your hair and grow some inches in no time. So guys, these are the leaves that we are going to be using. The leaves are called guava leaves. I will start by plucking the leaves, separating them from their stalk. I don't ever joke with guava leaves. They help a lot with minimizing my shedding. Keep watching to see what I add to it to make it even more amazing. Guava leaves is a miracle solution for hair loss. They are also gaining popularity as hair thickening ingredients that promotes rapid hair growth. Hair fall is a direct result of unhealthy scalp conditions. Guava leaves have analgesic, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial and antioxidant properties that have made them popular for maintaining scalp health. They also contain vitamin B and C, which nourish the hair follicles and aid hair growth. Keep on watching as I take you through on how to make your own guava leaf hair care solution to combat hair fall and promote hair growth. After plucking, I added some water in the bowl to rinse the leaves thoroughly before pouring them in the pot. I'm using a handful of guava leaves for this process. Next, I added half liter of water into the pot and placed it on a medium heat. Boil the leaves until they change color. Once you notice that the leaves have changed color like so, turn off the heat. Once you notice that the leaves have changed color, turn off the heat and add 2 tea bags of green tea and moringa into it. So this tea bag that I'm using is a combination of green tea and moringa, so feel free to use any green tea of your choice. Add the tea bags, stir and cover the pot, allow to cool completely before sieving. Once the mixture is cool, I will go ahead and sieve to get my tea. Next, I transferred some into my applicator bottle just to demonstrate for you guys. So guys, this is what the tea looks like in my spray bottle. Moving on to the second recipe, I will be using a handful of guava leaves. Next, I will use my fingers to cut the leaves into tiny pieces to help my blender. Guava leaves are not succulent, they are hard, and that's why I'm cutting them into pieces with my fingers. Next, I will wash them thoroughly and add into my blender. I will also add some water to help with the blending process and also to help get the juice out. After blending, I will go ahead and strain to get my juice. So guys, this is what the juice looks like after sieving. Moving on to the application, I will use this juice to saturate my hair and cover up to trap some heat. I will cover this up and do my house chores at home. Allow this to sit in your hair for 4 hours or more. The reason why you should allow this to sit in your hair for hours is just for best results. After some hours, proceed to rinse off. That's all for this video, guys. I don't intend for this video to be lengthy. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.